just been to Kingswin for some charity shops. We've got some bits and pieces. We're at Wollaston now. We're going to go to Starbridge, Bridal Hill and Merrill. Yeah, because of the British weather. Lovely, pissing down the rain. All car boots are called off. So, plan X. we only ended up going to Kings Winford, Wollaston, Starbridge, and then up to Merrill. We picked up a few things. We spent a bit too much. But we shall see. Let's start by going through it all. Right, first one we got is a joystick, Logitech joystick. We had one of these before. Last one we paid £3 for it and got it. Took it to Kex. We had an £8 voucher. This one, it's boxed. Everything's inside as well. And I think eBay we can get 20 to 25 quid on that. So that's a decent one to start. So just over double up. Jamie found these incomplete bits and pieces. That's a McLaren Senna, we believe. Now, I don't know what we're going to do with these yet. Whether we sell it out as it is or find the missing bits. Well, I've got to do a bit more research. Paid £8, no, £9 on that. I was feeling generous. I'll give them an extra 50p. And the other Lego bag we found, we got Batman and his car. That does all go on there as well. A few extra bits and pieces, which I don't know what is yet. And this one, which we don't know anything about it yet. Got to do a bit more research. So for that, no, I got it wrong. It was £8 for that and £9 for that. That was it. Yeah. Something along those lines anyway. Then we did find something a bit fun. The joysticks going in the camera challenge as well. So that's that one. Oh, I jumped. Cookie Monster slippers. Got brand new and tags. See, they're from Next. They were £28 and we've paid £8. Now it's been reduced, so I think we can get. We're going to do an experiment on Vinted. We're going to try and get a double up straight from Vinted and put them on for £16 and see what happens. So that's it. That man's dead. Yeah. Picked up some Harry Potter books. First one, £1.50. Now, that should be a 1 to note that it's a first edition. This one's not. It's a paperback, so it's probably not. Paid £1.50 for it. It's probably a couple of quid, but I'm keeping those to a bundle. That's it, yeah. Then, hardback, Deathly Hallows. First edition. Now, because these aren't the first set of books, they printed thousands and thousands of the first editions for these because there was a demand. So I'm not sure what these can get, so I'm hoping for about a £5. Then we got, again, another one, Harry Potter, Order of the Phoenix. This one's a bit battered, but I'm going to try and flatten that out. Again, one first edition. This is where they started to get popular, so I don't know about them. I'm going to have to do a bit more research. Now, let's start here. No, this one. These next, I know where they are. Right. Some of the charity shops, we picked up a few games, 50p. But that one's going to CEX. I'll start saying that right. We can get a £3 voucher for that one. So 50p. So £2.50 extra on that one. The others, we got Guitar Hero World Tour. We paid £1.50 for that. Forza Motorsport, paid £1.50 again for that. Forza, whatever. Pro Evolution Soccer, paid 50p for the PlayStation 2. So that ain't worth much. Then a fitness one for the Wii, 50p. So those are going to go into our bundle until we get some consoles, and we'll whack them with consoles. Then we've got some CDs. That one Jamie wants to keep. That was 25p because it's 4 for £1. Busted. I might list that separately, I'm not sure yet. I might wait till we get some more. Robbie Williams. Again, might keep it, might put it in bundles. And the last one, Lily Adam. All those are 25p. 4 for £1. Then, other charity shops, we found these PlayStation Magazine game demo discs that you get. Paid £2.50 each for them. The old ones, look, see. Yeah. Yeah. And quick research into eBay, they're about 6 to 10 quid in there. So
yeah.
So really, a bit of a double up. So that should be good with that one. Looking through the books at charity shop, managed to find this for the cabriolet. Never have had these ones. Always stuck with Haynes. I know it isn't mine on there, but mine's a 1986 cabriolet, and it's normally like the 1.6 XR3 and XR3i. That one. The only problem we're having is it's starting at the minute, so that might give us a bit more inclination, but I doubt it. Then some of the shops we've found some DVDs. Jamie wants that one to keep. I think that was only 50p or something stupid. That was £1. Dexter. Jamie's keeping that one. We found the complete Rocky. That was £3. That one's going to stay because I like that as well. These ones we're going to sell. Simpsons, Trios Horror. Well, we could keep that to Halloween. Yeah, we'll see. 50p, but we'll list it, see what happens. We've got Sealed Doctor Who, the 50th anniversary special. That was £1.
It's like it's in 3D.
Yeah,
3D.
Yeah. So, not sure. These could be up to 5, I think, so we'll see. Iron Man 3. Oh, I'm scared.
I've checked them all, they're all there.
£1, yeah.
Except
We'll get to that
one
one in a minute. Ninjago, Season 1. Again, that was 50p. Picked up some Simpsons ones. We've had these before.
Did them
They've sold, so they've done okay. So, yeah, £1. And this one was all great. £1. Picked this one up as well.
Sold it before too.
Sold it before as well. And we should have checked. The others are in there. So I might see what they're fetching without a disc, but I doubt that's going to work anyway. Then the last hard one is pink DVD player. Paid £5 for it. It is an old one, like with a SCART lead, and the audio in and out. But for £5, I'm sure we can get a tenner for that. And the rain started. So, clothes. We've got a Ralph Lauren jumper. It's large. You can see it's like bobbly. I think I might have to invest in a debobbling machine. So, yeah. And that's got marks on it, so that's going to go through the wash. I've found some Levi jeans, 501s, with the red tag. I'm going to do a bit more research on these. I'm hoping these can be 20 quid plus. So we paid 6 or 7 quid for them. It's a decent waist size as well. So, the other day we sold a black one of these, a medium as well, a smaller size for £9.99. So pick that up again for £3. Hopefully we can get that on Vinted and sold. And this one caught my eye. It's a base layer. Well, I think it is. It could be a base layer, but it's no name. Well, it is a name, but I've never heard of it. So £3.50. So I'm doing a bit of an experiment with that one. To wait and see. And then the Regatta Great Outdoors coat again. Medium. We've paid £6 for that. That's going to go on Vinted, and we're going to try a double up at £12 with no fees. We'll have to wait and see.
You get that sort, I'll say.
Star Wars t-shirt. We got a similar one of these we just put on for the Back to the Future, the DeLorean. That's done crazily stupid since it was listed this morning. We paid £3.75 for that, and I think £9 or £10 for that. We'll see. And this one, I've picked it up just because of the tag there. I don't know the name, but it's like a signature collection made in London. Oh yeah, it was faded. Yeah, I haven't found any other tags, so it does feel like cotton anyway. And for £3.50, even if it sells for $5, we've made money. Well, that's it. So before the rain starts again, that's everything we bought today. Hit the like, subscribe, share button as well if you want to. I think that's it. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.